Hey class, so today I'm not here, as you can tell, but I wanted to give you a fun assignment. iLearn is over with, it's finished, yay, we're done with it. So I've got a fun assignment. However, we are still working on summarizing, okay? Summarizing main idea, details, really getting that information pulled from the text. So today I've got a fun activity here for you. What you're going to do, you're going to need headphones. You must have headphones, okay? If you do not have headphones, you need to get some headphones. If not, you can partner up with somebody, but we cannot have a bunch of music playing in the classroom. Number one, headphones. Number two, we want to be respectful with our substitute, okay? If you have a sub, if not, you're with Miss Masick, Miss Beechler, be respectful because this assignment can potentially get a little rowdy, all right? So make sure that you're respectful and you have your headphones on. So take a look here. What I have for you, I have a few slides. So as you navigate through the slides, you're going to click this button right here. When you click that button, there's going to be this box that appears. You're going to hit this play button right here, right? When you hit that play button, you're going to hear a very short snippet of a song. After you hear that song, I would like for you to give me a summary of what you heard, okay? So give me a summary of what you heard. For example, this one right here, Thunder by Imagine Dragons. Okay, so we would play that song, we would take a look and see that the summary is a song about a young man who wants to do better in life. He is dreaming to become better, all right? The theme is you can always change for the better. Remember the theme, what did you learn? What did you take away from the particular song, all right? What did you learn? What did you take away? What message, what moral message did you get? And then, of course, the evidence. I want you to highlight that in yellow. Prove your answer. Prove your answer from your theme. Prove your answer from your summary. Okay? If you have any questions, just shoot me over an email. But I hope you have fun with this. There's quite a few of them I've got on here. As you can see, there's a few there. That's a fun one. All right? There you go. And, of course, we'll end with Katy Perry. Okay? So, go ahead. Enjoy it, but I do need a full summary. I'm going to look for capital letters in punctuation and also going to be looking for sentence structure. I want to make sure that everything's correct, okay? You've got commas there. It makes sense. Your spelling is correct. All right? Have fun. I'll see you on Monday. Take care.